All right. Ashley, have you started recording yet?
I
Yep.
have also, so we should be good.
Okay.
We're
All
good.
right. All right, let's get started then. Well, everyone, thank you so much for coming today, and thank you so much for joining OCSP this summer. We're so happy to be working with you guys. And yeah, we thank you so much for having the dedication to get started on organic chemistry and to reach out to get help when you need it. So we're just going to start with some quick introductions. So I'm Jennifer Zhao. My pronouns are she, her. I'm from Alpharetta, Georgia, which is just north of Atlanta. I'm a linguistics major on the pre-med track, and I am a rising senior, and I'm going to be one of the main lecturers this summer.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ashley Contreras. My pronouns are she, her. I am from Brownsville, Texas, which is like the tip of Texas, like south. I am double majoring in biology and psychology, and I'm also rising senior. This summer, I'm going to be one of the main lecturers as well. I'm going to be an office hours tutor from 9 to 11, which we'll talk about in a minute. And I'm also going to be doing one-on-one tutoring, which we'll also talk about in a minute.
I'm Samantha, or Sam, she, her. I'm from the Phoenix area of Arizona. My major is biology. Like Ashley, I'm a rising senior, just like the others. And I'm also going to be a main lecturer, mostly Mondays with Sydney. And Sydney, who could not be here right now, she's from Rochester. She's also a biology major, also rising senior, also a lecturer with all of us. And also, I believe there are a couple other TAs who can make it today. If anyone wants to go ahead and shout out and introduce themselves, either in chat or just unmute yourselves, feel free. If not, that is cool too.
Sure, I can introduce myself. Hi everyone, my name is Lamisa. I am majoring in biology and I'm a rising junior. And my role will be helping with grading, and I'm also a study group leader.
Hi, I'm Gigi. I'm a rising senior biology major, and I'm going to be one of the tech people. So you'll see me during lectures in the background. I'm also going to be guest lecturing a little bit.
Hi guys, I'm Gabby. I'm also a rising senior bio and Spanish major, and I'm going to be one of the study group leaders.
Is there anyone else?
I can go. Hey everyone, my name is Karel. I'm also a rising senior, majoring in biological sciences, and I'll be one of the guest lecturers, and I also will be doing office hours.
Okay, I think that might be everyone, so we're just going to continue.
Yes, we're mainly going to be talking about different aspects of the program. And if you have any questions throughout what we're explaining or about anything, feel free to stop us or ask in the chat. So we're going to be using Canvas. You guys have been using Canvas for all your classes. We'll be using that as well. We'll be posting the recordings of the lectures, homework assignments, and study group worksheets. The way it's going to be kind of structured is based by weeks. So each week, we're going to have the lectures under like week 1, and then it's going to kind of be by order based on how the week goes. So we have our first lecture on Monday, then we have study group on Tuesday, and then it's just kind of going to be structured like that. So you guys are able to kind of follow through. We also have a Wix website, which is available for everyone who's not in the program. So if you have any friends who are not in the program and want to kind of just, because we're going to be recording the lectures and posting them on YouTube, so they're able to see that there and also see the worksheet, right? The bios for the TAs will also be on the Wix website. We don't have the those posted yet, but we will soon if you guys want to kind of look through and meet some of the TAs. Can you switch the slide? Okay, so lectures, again, we're going to be having lectures from 11 to 12 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We're going to have 4 main lectures and then some guest lectures on Friday, right? So we're going to be, the way it's going to be structured is that there's going to be 2 lectures on Monday, 2 lectures on Wednesday and 2 lectures on Friday, and each person is going to do 30 minutes. So again, these are the names of the main lecturers. We just introduce ourselves, right? The lectures are going to be live, but they're also going to be recorded and posted on Canvas and the YouTube channel as well as Wix. The link for the YouTube channel is here. We'll also be posting the slides on Canvas after this. We do expect your participation on these, and hopefully if you guys are able to, you guys can turn on your cameras. If not, that is also fine. So study groups, you guys have been emailed for study groups. Probably sometime this weekend, right? If you guys haven't been emailed on that, please let us know. If you guys are having any issues, like maybe you can't make it with based on the time that someone emailed you for, let us know and we'll email you with the set times that we have, so you guys can be fit into a certain study group. And these links for the study groups and the lectures will be on the Zoom link on Canvas, and they're going to be named based on your study group leaders. Yeah.
Okay, I can talk about the homework assignments. So the first homework assignment is going to be posted tomorrow at 7 a.m. Eastern time, and it's going to be due this Thursday. Following that, all homework assignments are going to be released each Thursday and then due the next Thursday. So a second homework assignment will be released this Thursday at 7 a.m. Eastern time and then be due next week on Thursday. So you'll usually have 1 week to work on each assignment with the exception, of course, of this week. And homework assignments are going to be posted on Gradescope, and you'll also be submitting it there too. So the Gradescope link is on our Canvas. Also, on a similar note, the exams are also through Gradescope. So our exams are released every Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern time and due Saturday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So you have 24 hours to work on the assignment, and these are open notes, open textbook. We just ask that it's your own work and you don't collaborate with anyone else. And also note that there aren't going to be any office hours available during this time period, so you won't be able to ask a TA for help. And yes, also if you need additional time or accommodations, just email us through the OCSP email and we'll make arrangements for you. And also for tutoring, if you feel like at any point in the program, you just want to be able to talk with a TA one-on-one and either go through a concept or maybe like walk through an exam or a homework problem, you can submit a form on our Canvas page in order to have one-on-one tutoring with one of our TAs. Just like put your availability so that we can match you up with a TA who's also free then. And then they'll probably email you afterwards to arrange a set time. And so these aren't set sessions. It's not part of your expected workload, but just like at any point, if you feel like you're struggling and you want additional help, feel free to arrange this.
Awesome. So in addition to one-on-one tutoring, we're also going to have weekly office hours. You're going to see that some of the TA's office hours are listed here. And once again, there are a ton of resources available to you. Feel free to use these office hours for homework, asking about exams after the fact, that kind of thing, whatever you want. And stay tuned on the Canvas site because we might be adding some more. Thank you, Jennifer. Also, we're going to have a discussion section on our Canvas. This is going to function basically like, as a discussion forum or a piazza. So feel free to ask any questions here. If you find anything fun or something you want to share with the rest of the group, feel free to post it there. We'll also be linking some helpful resources to help with the weekly content. And last but not least, we'd like to thank our faculty advisors and sponsors. So including but not limited to Drs. Crane, Lee, and Coates. Without them in the chemistry department, this would not be possible.
Yes, and just to add something, the Zoom links will also be on the Zoom, like there's going to be a Zoom like tab on Canvas. They'll be named based on like the TA that's going to be given the session, and we'll be posting it also on the syllabus. I know we don't have it yet, but we'll be fixing the syllabus, re-uploading it with the times for the office hours. Yeah. Is there any questions?
Yeah, I don't know if you mentioned this already about figuring out the Tuesday, Thursday sessions, but I had a conflict with mine, and I'm not sure if I was put into the one that I had asked for yet. Are you going to send that out, or did I just miss the email?
Right, so I think we had emailed you, right? If you did email me back, we did add you. We're gonna be also, I think, just for you guys to see, posting the list of the students with the TAs, so you just also know like who TA you're under with, so you can find also the Zoom link, and so you guys can know what times you're at. So we'll be posting it on Monday, so you guys can see and double check.
Thank you.
Is there any other questions?
I just wanted to clarify, the first lecture is tomorrow, right?
Yes, so the first lecture is tomorrow, and if you guys check on Canvas, you guys should be able to see a Zoom link called lectures. So there should be a tab named Zoom at 11 a.m. It should say 11 a.m. and then just lectures. If you guys can't see that, let me know. I'll fix it, but it should be there. Yeah. Hopefully that answered your question. Is there any more questions? If at any point on the program or in the program you have any conflict issues, feel free to email us. We're trying to be very flexible with you guys and trying to work around whatever happens. You know, if you also feel the need that maybe there's some days where you need to like kind of push an assignment for another, like the deadline for an assignment, also let us know. We're being very flexible. Yeah. Is there any other questions? Okay, this was a very short meeting. If you guys have no more questions, this is literally the end of orientation. Like, we just wanted to make sure your questions were answered and that we kind of explained verbally what the program is about, kind of meet some of us. But yeah, if you guys don't have any questions, feel free to go. If you do have some questions at the end, feel free to stay. And we'll be here for a few minutes.
Thank you all so much for coming.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.